Good morning, stunning, beautiful, Gorgina girlies. Okay, so we are moving hotel room today. So I have everything packed up. The reason we're moving hotel room is because Ben is coming here tonight, Ben and Jen. So they're moving me into a nicer room, allegedly. So this is my second upgrade in this hotel. She was like, no, we need to put you in a bigger room. I was like, okay. So they're sending someone up now to collect all my stuff. So I'm just gonna do a last minute check of the room. It is Friday. I kind of am a bit like throaty and nasally, but I know that's from the aircon because I need excessive amounts of aircon. So yeah, I'm excited to see the new room. So this was the old room, just for context and reference. So shower, mirror, come out here, massive wardrobe, tea station, minibar. These are all bags that are coming with me. And then big massive double bed, but obviously in the next room there's gonna be 2 beds and then balcony views. So I wonder what the balcony views in the next place. I think I'm going across the way. I think I'm going across there. I'm not 100% sure, but we will find out. Oh yeah, maybe this one. Got the biggest compliment in the world off the reception lady. She was like, Rebecca, your energy is so good. You're always smiling. You're always in a good mood. She was like, are you ever in a bad mood? And I was like, no, I don't think so. And I was like, if I am, I just isolate. Like, I don't take it out on other people. She was like, everybody here, everybody working here always say, who is this girl? She's always smiling. I was like, stop. She was like, you always smell so good as well. And we all know smelling good is my favorite compliment in the world. So that was a lovely boost. But yeah, so we changed rooms. So Ben and Jen are coming tonight and then Jack's coming tomorrow. So she got me to look at both the rooms and choose which one I prefer. So sorry Jack and Jen, but I did choose the one with the slightly nicer view. They both have nice views. It's just one of them is like disrupted by trees. I can't believe I've been in this hotel not even a week and this is the 3rd room I've been in. So we come in. This room is a lot bigger than the other 2. We come in. We not only have a shower, but we have a bath. We have a bath and a shower. It's a lot bigger of a room, which is nice. Then we come out, we have the wardrobes, just like the other one, massive wardrobe there. Then we have the mini fridge over there, TV, coffee station, nice little get ready area. Then we have this cute little couch bed over here. Big double bed. They are sending someone later to separate them, but like it's a massive bed anyway, and it's me and Ben. So they were like, if we can't do it tomorrow, is it okay? I was like, yeah, no problem. So that's the room. And then of course you can see into the bath from there. And then we have a new balcony view. So this is the balcony. So we're out here and this is the view. So I can see trees, greenery. We can see the other pool. So that's nice. So that's where people get massages in there. And then you walk through there. And then, because this hotel has so many pools. So that's like one of the pools. That's another pool. You have the mountains. And then the other room is like down there, kind of closer to the palm trees. So I thought this would be a nice view. So this is what we're working with for the new room. And then of course cute balcony, and then back into the room. Okay, here's another outfit of the day because someone asked what do I wear on holidays. So I'm just fixing my belly button ring. But yeah, so these are Skims shorts. I have shorts like these that are black that are Lululemon, but I couldn't find them before I left, which was inconvenient to say the least. And then this is the Lululemon Align bra. I have this in white as well, but I'm waiting to catch more of a tan before I pull the white clothing out. I also have this in ribbed and I also couldn't find that. So very inconvenient that I couldn't find my cute Lululemon set. I am feeling still a bit bloated today because I have my period. The amount of blood that came out of me in the last 24 hours is concerning, but at least I got it. Period day 2 is over, and by tomorrow it'll be like my period really is only the first 3 days, and then after that we just pretend it doesn't exist. Do you know what I mean? We're gonna go now. I need to go to 7-Eleven. I need to get a toastie. I haven't eaten today, and I'm like, I don't want to go for lunch, so 7-Eleven toastie is just the best option. One thing about me is I'm a creature of habit. Do you know what I mean? I feel like whether I'm vlogging at home in Ireland or whether I'm in Thailand, like I will create mini routines. It's the Taurus Sun Virgo Moon in me. It's that earth energy of like, I don't know. I'm so spontaneous, but I also like mini routines. So I am going now to 7-Eleven to get a toastie, but I'm going to go to a different 7-Eleven. So there's one 7-Eleven like at a 5-minute walk, and then the other one's like a 10-minute walk. So I'm like, do you know what? Maybe the other one's bigger. Maybe the other one will have new things. I also just want to kind of explore a bit more, see what's down there, because I haven't really walked past that 7-Eleven. So let's see. Okay, so we've gone down a bit further than I've usually gone, and there's like just so many food places, drinks places. This is the Club Med, I think, which is a hotel, but I'm still searching for 7-Eleven. Massive fruit market here, and then this is a massive like night market. I think we're gonna come back here later. It literally has everything inside, but we're gonna find 7-Eleven now because I'm starving. But it's so cool. Swadee. Someone commented on my TikTok video saying that you can get White Monster in some 7-Elevens. Now I'm yet to see one. So every time I go into 7-Eleven, if it's new, my hopes are gonna be up. But so far, nothing. This is... Okay, so they have Red Bull. But see, this isn't zero then. This is my issue. This is sugar. Where's my Monster Zero? Do they have anything? This stuff is like crazy. If you mix this with vodka, you are going places. Sparkling energy drink. Hold on. M150. Oh, pink lemonade, 0 sugar. Okay, let's try. Let's try this. Okay, let's do a taste test of this pink lemonade M50. Oh, that's good. Thank God. So this is my new replacement for White Monster then. L-carnitine. It's like the same thing. It's actually really nice. Oh, because why is this unreal? The M150 pink lemonade 0 sugar flavor. Stunning. Like, so good. Like, will definitely help. Ben is coming from Australia tonight. I think he has 3 cans of White Monster for me. And I just bought another 2 cans of this in the shop. I'm not addicted to caffeine. It just makes me feel better, especially with my cramps. I also got a sausage cheese toastie today instead of a ham and cheese toastie, so we're gonna see how that is. I kind of want to find somewhere to just sit and eat it, but I don't know. This is actually nice down here. Okay, so I found like this street with loads of bars. Of course, we have an Irish bar, which I think close to Christmas will be a good one to know. So there's all these bars, reggae bars, and they all go like all down this street. So I think we'll come here tonight. And then what else? This part is actually really nice. It's a lot more kind of built up. There's a lot more shops and stuff like that around here. Am I going to regret this outfit? Potentially. I'm wearing like really light wide leg pants and then this really light flowy top. So it is like so covered, but I don't know. I still have my period. I kind of feel a bit bloated. So I'm like, I'm sure it'll be fine. Will I be sweating? Potentially, but I'll be grand. I also did my hair and makeup because it is Friday night. And I'm also going to wear runners because I got a cut on my foot earlier and I don't want to get an infection. Also, one of my feet caught a tan and the other one didn't, and I need to even that out. Okay, so we're in the hotel. The lighting is to be desired, and we're waiting on Ben and Jen. They should be here like any minute. Wow, she's so excited.
It's like I only seen you yesterday.
Oh my god, hello!
Hello, how are you?
How are we? You look very fresh. Welcome to Thailand.
I went to the gym in like fucking 4 days.
There's a gym here
4 days.
on the rooftop pool.
It's fine, it'll be okay, but we
Jen and Ben have a run.
run.